Teachers, you know most kids are visual learners. Here's how you can use ConsistentCharacter.ai with your lesson plan.
ConsistentCharacter.ai.
Say you're a teacher or you're just in the education field and you're trying to put some lessons together, and maybe you have a lesson coming up on verbs. This is a great way to turn your lesson into a visual lesson, create characters that are going to be captivated by your students because it's going to be them. And so we're going to turn our photos into these characters and we're going to use them for our verb lesson. So this can go, of course, with many other lessons, but this is just an example of what you can use ConsistentCharacter.ai and how it can help you within your classroom, within your school. All right, so I don't have any kids, so I'm going to use a picture of myself, but we're going to go, of course, to photo to cartoon, and we're going to click on that, and you're going to upload your image. Let's see, I'm going to go give me an image real quick, and bam, I have a photo. So you're going to next go to describe your avatar, and you can type out what type of outfit you want them to wear, hairstyle, whatever. Again, if your students are right in front of you, just describe their outfit or have them give you a picture of whatever they want their photo or avatar to look like. So you just do that, type that in, and then you can go to the next step. So I'm just going to type in something real quick. Okay, so I just typed in something very basic: hair in a bun, wearing white t-shirt and blue jeans, white gym shoes. Create full body view. Again, this is what I always do no matter what. When I create my character, I always create the first character as a full body view. And in this instance, I'm just going to have a plain white background, and we can do square for this one. You can, of course, change the ratio and the style. I will say, let's just stick with Pixar and hit generate. I don't like how it made me so big, but this character does look like me. It does look like me. Of course, if you don't like the image, you can go ahead and tweak your description and go ahead and edit that way. This does the job. My legs are not that big. All you would do now that you have your character, imagine, of course, that it's your student or whoever, and then you would go to step 2. And again, it always tells you what step 2 is. That's going to be going to the action editor. And so we're just going to hover our mouse over the image and hit edit action. And so when we're in edit action, that's when we can start playing with the different verbs. Okay, so we can have the first one. Let's say she needs to get her run on. So running in a park and generate. Okay, that's cute. Running in a park. And this is spot on with my picture. Anyway, let's change it up. Let's get some examples. Let's say singing on stage in a park. Let's do that. Cute. That's cute. Okay. Let's do eating a salad at a diner table. And again, this is going to be, for your lessons, it should be your students doing some different activities so that you can go ahead and put together your visual game that we're going to put together. We're going to put together Guess Who game. And so if you have, your students all lined up and, they shout out, is she eating? Is she reading? Is she running? Is she jump? Things like that to make your lesson plan a little bit more interactive and so that they can get the concept better. This is a great way to have your kids come in and focus more and be more involved in the lesson. So we have a couple shots. I'm not going to go crazy because this is just a lesson. So I'm going to download these images and we're going to go to the next step. And again, to download, all you do is hit your mouse over the image and these gray options will appear at the very top and you just click on that download button. Also, I do want to clarify something I mentioned in the previous video. Before, I mentioned that you should go and upscale your images into Canva. if you had the pro version so that it didn't cost you any credits. Well, what ConsistentCharacter.ai has done is they have added the upscale to your account, and it's for free. So anytime that you want to upscale your image or have a transparent background, those are now free and they do not cost you any credits. So you can go ahead and do basically everything all in one. But I'm going to show you again how to put this all together so that you can incorporate fun lessons into your classroom. All right, for this last bit, I'm going to show you how I put the game together. I'm using PowerPoint, but this can also be done in Canva. If you don't know how to create templates in PowerPoint, you can simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to make a template. Once you make the template from ChatGPT, just open it up and you're going to import your images. So if you don't know, all you have to do is go to the top here and click on Insert Pictures and pick your picture from the files. Let's just do this one. And so you're going to size it down and make sure that it fits within your box. Okay. And then you're going to go to the top here and you're going to have these options under picture format. And it's going to have the option to bring it forward, bring it back, send it backwards. So you want to send it backwards. So send it to the back. And one last thing that you want to do to make sure that when you are playing the game with your students, so that when a student yells out, oh, number 3, and you click on number 3 reveals itself, and so on. Cover that you see. Then you're going to go to the animations tab at the top and you're going to click on, it's going to say exit effects, but you're going to go to and click on disappear. So again, that means when you click on the image or click on the cover, that cover will disappear. And one last thing that you will do is after you clicked on the cover, clicked on the exit effect, and it disappear, then you're going to go to the animation pane, and that cover that you just clicked on, you're going to go ahead and click on it, scroll down to triggers, make sure that the option on click is selected, and then the drop down menu, you're going to select rectangle. It says rectangle 10 and 4. You're just looking for number 4. So just click on that. And that means when you click on the number 4 or whatever, it will only reveal number 4. All right. So once that's done, you're just going to, play your PowerPoint. And again, once your student yells out what number that they want to play, you just click on whatever number they shout. So say, for example, they shout out number 2, and you click on number 2, and whatever team yells out, or if they have if they ring the bell first or whatever, and they say, she's singing, then they get the point. So whatever way that you could think of to make your class more interactive, ConsistentCharacter.ai definitely can help. Again, ConsistentCharacters.ai, they do offer a free trial. You can get a few images done and see how you like it. And if you like me, you will love this site. See you on the next one.